Have you ever thought about how surveys are created? The behind-the-scenes work is called survey programming. This field is essential for collecting data effectively. Survey programming involves designing surveys for research purposes. It combines technical skills with an understanding of human behavior. This role ensures that data collection is accurate and efficient. First, what does a survey programmer do? They build surveys using specialized software. This includes creating questions, logic, and formatting. They ensure that the survey flows smoothly for users. Next, let's dive into what that looks like in practice. Imagine a company wants feedback on a new product. A survey programmer will design a survey that asks specific questions. They will test it to make sure everything works well. This means checking that answers lead to the right follow-ups. So, what skills are essential for this role? Strong attention to detail is critical. A survey programmer must also understand programming languages like JavaScript. Familiarity with survey platforms like Qualtrics is beneficial. Communication skills are vital to collaborate with researchers effectively. Where do survey programmers typically work? They can find opportunities in market research firms, universities, and tech companies. Many work as freelancers or within research departments. Is survey programming a good career choice? Yes, it is growing due to the demand for data analysis. This field offers competitive salaries and opportunities for advancement. Professionals enjoy a mix of technical and creative work. To summarize, survey programming is vital for efficient data collection. It involves creating accessible surveys using specialized software. Key skills include attention to detail and programming knowledge. Opportunities exist in various sectors, and the career outlook is strong. If you're interested in survey programming, start learning today. Explore free resources online, join communities, and practice your skills.